This 2021 Nissan Rogue is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Nissan is powered by all-wheel drive, manual transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.5L 152 engine, and has 88,932 miles. Drive away happy in a 2021 Nissan Rogue. Style, reliability, and value await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.